Well, hello again. I'm Dr. August Dunning, and I do these nifty little beach walks talking about dry fasting and how to apply this particular type of therapy to all sorts of health conditions. Today is going to be about weight loss. For all of you out there that are overweight, even obese, I think dry fasting is probably the best solution in a program. In fact, it's the best way to start a program that'll help you lose the weight and get rid of the problem fast, because the biggest problem with weight loss, of course, is compliance. Now, it's not your fault you're overweight. It's someone else's, it really is. It's two things. One, a broken food system without the minerals to keep you healthy, and a broken government system. That's a whole other argument, though. So look, here's kind of the way it works. Dry fasting is something that no other type of fasting does. It actually kills the parasites, because if you're not drinking anything, they need your water to stay alive. They need your glucose to stay alive. All this stuff you're restricting because you're fasting, they don't have it. Other types of cells that are very bad for you can't replicate without it. And they get out of the way. And you see, this is why this is important, because if you can have a way to get rid of these voices, which is what they are, these are asking for foods that make you seek their food to eat to feed them to your detriment, be it the seed oils or the sugars or the chips or whatever, you're feeding them. And when you stop feeding them because they're not there anymore, you're able to comply with any kind of diet. You'll find you suddenly won't want certain things. That's because you never really wanted it. Something else wanted you to eat it. So when that's out of the way, that's cool. Now, a 5-day dry fast is the way to do that. It's the one where you actually get all the benefits of the longer ones. It's easier to manage and maintain, but what it does do, it gets rid of your parasites. With that in mind, it'll also show you that you have control of your health. And because of that, you'll also notice that it's the intake that is the problem. Sometimes it's just the quality of the intake. But you'll notice yourself not being as hungry because you're not trying to feed something else. You'll notice not wanting these foods, and you'll kind of lose weight anyway. But a dry fast, a 5-day dry fast, you'll probably lose 4 to 7 pounds of fat, because in a dry fast, you're at a glycogen of the second day, and 3, 4, and 5, you're running on free fatty acids out of fat cells, so you're just draining your fat cells. How do you keep that going? Well, you've noticed during a dry fast that there's weight loss when you don't have food. Now, there's something called a Randle cycle. People don't talk about it often, but it's this kind of a track switching thing that directs food to be either put in, fat storage, or directs sugars to be used directly in mitochondria and other cells for things. And because of that, that's operating all the time. And when there is a low amount of sugar, you have to maintain homeostasis and energy production. It has to be pretty much even keel at like 98.6 or 7. And the way to do that is get the fat cells in the Randle cycle to give up their energy, so you keep that homeostasis up. Now, the problem with tricking the Randle cycle like this is that, 1 day out of 3 you could do this and probably lose a pound on that day and keep it off. And you probably won't be eating all the same foods you were eating before the 5-day dry fast, so that'll make it easier for compliance. And just 1 day out of 3, lose a pound. That's 10 pounds a month doing nothing. Just not eating one day. You'll save some money, you'll lose some weight, you'll look better, you'll feel better. Your psychological outlook will be a lot better, because you know what? This is mind over matter. It's your mind over this matter. That's all it is. I'm sure you can do it. Hundreds of people have done it already, and everybody that follows this protocol of a 5-day dry fast and 1 day out of 3 off eating, you can still drink stuff. You can drink coffee and stuff like that, but not with a whole lot of caloric value. So you've got to skew the Randle cycle towards the fat release. Anyway, that's the message today. This is a way to lose weight. Use Dry Fasting to start it. Drink the Randle cycle to keep it going till you drop down the weight you need. You'll start seeing that the things you eat affect why and how you get fat, and you'll stop doing that to yourself. Anyway, this is August Dunning, and I am happy that you tuned in. Please hit the like button, subscribe button, and send this to other people, because I'd like to see everybody back to, 1950s and 60s bodies again. I think it can be done. I think you can do it. Love you guys. Hit the like button, and I will talk to you.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.